Anyone can have a YouTube channel. Anyone can be a YouTuber, but few can strategically grow their channel and sustain their long-term success. Your channel's success is a reflection of you, your attitudes, your values, your passion, your business, and of course your resources. It's a serious commitment, and that's why it's essential that you consider how these 5 key fundamentals apply to you when you're starting on your own on doing your YouTube channel. To make it simple to remember the key fundamentals, I've created an acronym called GLASS. As the way I see it, it's like looking in the mirror or in the looking glass, and I believe your channel is really a reflection of you, the creator, your values and all of that jazz. So one of the first things to be really clear on is your personal channel goal. Ask yourself why you want to have a YouTube channel. What's its purpose? Is it to be a famous YouTuber? If so, is this goal enough to motivate you to stay committed? Is it to support your business or create awareness of your brand or your expertise or your talent? Is it to create awareness of a cause or build a prosperous influence status or to earn enough money to give up your day job? Or is it to make a difference in the world with your special gift? Be as clear and as focused as possible about what you want to achieve with your channel. Setting your goal will keep you focused throughout your YouTube journey, and this is why it's a key fundamental for your growth. It will remind you to focus your efforts and prioritize your content in a way that is coherent with your overall goal. So if you look at some successful YouTube channels, they're very focused on offering a particular topic and don't deviate much from what they set out to offer once they found what their content sweet spot is. A good way of achieving your channel goal is to have a brainstorm. Being clear from the outset is a great way to manage your expectations. So write down all the reasons why you think you want a YouTube channel. Include questions such as what value can you bring to your potential viewers and who will you be serving? And include what you expect to achieve for your business, for yourself or for your lifestyle. So let's talk about video longevity. Does your topic have a shelf life or is it evergreen? Who is it relevant for? Some videos are relevant forever, some for just a few moments in time. Consider what your topic shelf life is. How long will your video be relevant to someone's life? Is it an evergreen, life stage or trend video? So consider whether there will always be a need for this content. For example, Maslow's hierarchy of needs give you an idea of the associated topics that will always be looked for and searched for. These are basic human needs for survival, such as food, water, shelter, and then we move on to the more sophisticated broad topics such as emotional and physical well-being. These will never change as they're fundamental to humanity and society at large. People have always and will always be searching for answers to these related questions. There's always going to be a need for topics that are underserved or very niche, so these are worth exploring too. For example, my channel, My Box Songs, delivers music and kids songs that people have enjoyed for hundreds of years. Some people might say it's essential for children's cognitive and emotional development in the early stages of their life. But My Box Songs videos have been in demand since I set up the channel in January 2009, and this would be considered evergreen content as it's in demand all year round and there's always a new audience of parents coming on board every day. However, if you're a lifestyle channel and vlog your life experiences on a day-to-day basis, your channel's shelf life might be dependent on how long you're available to do the videos yourself and how relevant what you're vlogging about resonates with your audience. It's you that they're following, so if you stopped actually making videos, your channel may stop growing because it's your viewers who will want you, and if you're not there, they won't be interested anymore. You're the personality of your channel, and ask yourself, if you stopped making those videos, will your old videos still be in demand or of value? Think about who will be consuming your content and how long for. Will it be for a stage of their life? For example, exercise and fitness becomes a priority for someone at a certain stage or age, or kids nutrition might be a key interest for a period of time while people have young kids. Consider if your content is just for one moment of time, for example, fads and trends such as fidget spinners, iPhone reviews. These types of videos become redundant once new updates come about, so be aware of that. The A in GLASS stands for your audience. Is your video or topic being actively searched for? Is it in demand? You need to consider whether viewers are actively searching for the content that you're creating, and consider if there's an audience for your channel content topics. People will always be looking to see how to do something or search for information or entertainment even. So when deciding a topic for your channel, it's important to understand if people are actively searching for it. The more people that are looking for a topic, the bigger potential audience you're likely to have. Consider the potential audience size for your topic and subtopics. The first S in the GLASS acronym is for shareability. Create a channel with content that viewers enjoy or appreciate enough to want to share with other people. This is hugely important. Videos that are shared by your audience contributes to how much the algorithm values the video. YouTube will then share your video even more as a result of being organically shared. The more it's shared, the higher chance your video will be suggested to new viewers and related audiences. If continuously shared, your video picks up momentum and your new viewers become your new potential subscribers. People love to help others, and if they find a video that's particularly helpful to themselves, they'll think it's helpful for a friend or family member too and pass it on. They'll often feel the need to share it. So I want you to think about how shareable your channel content is. Will people want to share it, and who do you think it will be shared with? The final S in GLASS stands for sustainability. Be honest with yourself. Is this channel something that you can sustain over a period of time? Your YouTube channel will need attention in the short to longer term. Have you got the time and resources to commit to creating a channel? Is this something you've a passion for, or is it something that you will always love doing, or will you lose interest and get bored? Do you have limitless or limited resources? Can you be flexible and adaptable to market and algorithmic changes? In other words, can you offer your audience value on a consistent basis and not just jump in on the bandwagon with a trending topic in the short term? How many of you are involved in the channel? Can you depend on other team members to get the work done? You need to know that you've created a window each week so that working on your YouTube channel is an exciting part for your week or day. Your attitude towards your channel should reflect your passion for the subject or the skills in that niche. Your passion and discipline will help you sustain your long-term success on your YouTube for sure. From my own experience, my channel has grown consistently over the years despite market, algorithmic and policy changes, which all led to an increased competition levels, higher expenses and saturation. To be fair, not being prepared for this put some intense pressure to survive over the years. Luckily, being resourceful, I continued to experiment and adapt to the market changes as I went along. Consider the qualities you have that will help you sustain your channel growth over the next few years. In addition to all these key fundamentals, you need to consider your creator strategy. But what does this mean, I hear you ask? All it means is that you'll benefit from thinking about a set of criteria that will keep you inspired to create and on track to growing your YouTube channel. As a YouTube creator, consider asking yourself how much you love what you do. Having that passion and excitement about what you do will keep you inspired, creative and innovative, and this will set you apart from other channels in your niche. This is so important. Ask yourself if you can offer value. Offer something you believe in, have expertise in, genuinely enjoy and feel is authentically you. Can you commit? Be clear about your intentions for the long term and make a commitment to deliver your promise. Have some clarity around what you want to get out of this investment of your time and resources, and it does take time and energy. Do you have a clear plan? Work from pre-planned strategies so you're using the time effectively and can focus on the creative aspects of your channel. Can you be consistent? Make sure you have the resources to upload relevant videos consistently within the context of your lifestyle. In the next video, we'll begin with how to plan your YouTube channel strategy overview and create your channel roadmap to give you a robust foundation for your YouTube channel success.